How to disable disappearing messages in WhatsApp. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable disappearing messages in WhatsApp so your messages stay permanently unless deleted manually. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Now go to the chat where disappearing messages are currently turned on. Then tap on the name at the top of the screen to open the chat settings. Scroll down and tap on disappearing messages. You will see several options like 24 hours, 7 days or 90 days. To turn it off, simply select on off. You will get a message in that chat confirming that disappearing messages are now turned off. And that's it. This is how you turn off your disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.